Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are all of you? You are again in mathematics class, and I am your teacher, Miss Tanzila. The topic for today lecture is compare the height of the object. In today's lecture, what we are going to do? We are going to learn how to compare the height of the object. Means you will learn in today's lecture about tall and short, about taller and shorter, about tallest and shortest. Okay, dear students, what is tall and short? Do you know anything about tall and short? Tall is when something measures a small distance from end to end, and tall is when something has a greater height. What we will do in today's lecture, I'll show you some pictures side by side, and then I will explain which one is tallest and which one is shortest, which one is taller and which one is shorter. So get ready to start our today lecture. First of all, learn with a picture what is height of the object, because we will differentiate object according to the height, that which one is short and which one is tall. So let's hear. Height is the distance from the top and bottom of something. Okay, what is height? Now look here, there's a picture of giraffe. If you want to find the height, what you will do? Height is just the distance from the top to the bottom. Okay, from the top to the bottom. Height is a distance from the top to the bottom. Now look here, there are a picture of two buildings. So which one is taller? How you will find which one is taller? You will find it by the height of the object. The green building is taller because it has more height than the red one. The green building is taller. Why? Because when we put these two pictures side by side, then the green one is taller. The green one is taller than the red one. That's why we are saying that the green building is taller than a red one. Okay, now let's come here. The blue rocket is shorter. Why the blue rocket is shorter? The height of the blue rocket from the top to the distance is smaller than the red one. Look here, the red one, the height of the red rocket is taller because its height is more than the blue one. Okay, now come and check this one. Which clown is taller? Can you tell about these two clowns which one is taller? Just compare the height. Look here, the red one. The red one is smaller because the red one, the height of the red one is less than the yellow one. Understood? What is taller and shorter? How you will compare the height of the object? According to the height of the object, we can say the shorter and taller of that object. Let's compare some more object to learn about taller and shorter. The unequal height of the object. Look here, when we are saying about the taller and shorter, we are just compare the unequal height object. Okay, now look here, there is a picture of two fans. This one is taller and this one is shorter. We are just comparing the same object that are unequal in height. Understood? Now we can also say that this object is shorter than this object. Okay, or you can say the first fin is taller than the second one. Understood? We are just compare the height of the object. Now let's say, look here, the coconut tree is taller than the mango tree. Or you can say that the mango tree is shorter than coconut tree because its height is less than the another one. Now let's talk about in this picture. Again, we are comparing two unequal height. Look here, look at this cottage. This cottage is shorter than this building. Understood? Compare the height of the cottage to the height of the building. So the cottage is shorter than the taller according to the height. Now let's learn about the shortest and tallest. What is the shortest and tallest? Do you know about the shortest and tallest? Now there are three pictures. Three picture of ladder. So the first one, the red one is tallest, and the blue one is shortest among these three ladder. Understood? Now we are comparing three picture, not two picture, three picture. So the red one is tallest and the blue one is shortest among these three ladder. Understood? Again, we are comparing the height. Now look here, there are three pictures of animal. The giraffe is the tallest. But look here, the horse is the shortest among the three animals. In this case, again, we are not comparing two pictures. We are comparing the picture of three animals. That's why we are saying that the giraffe is the tallest and the horse is the shortest among the three animals. Understood? We can say the short or tall of the object according to their height. Now there are some pictures. There are some object. What you will do? We are going to do the matching activity. Okay. What you will do? You will pick the tall one and you will put it under the tall column, and then you will pick the short one and you will put it in the short column. Understood? Now look here, there are two carrots. There are two carrots. Which one is taller? Which one is taller? This one or this one? Check out the first one. Look here. This carrot is tall than this one. So that's why we put it under the tall column. Now the next one will come in the short column because its height is smaller than the first one. Understood? Now again there are two trees, coconut tree. So which one is taller, this one or this one? Pick the taller and put it under the taller column, just like this. Okay, now the remaining one is small, so you will pick it and you will put it under the short column. Well done. Now there are two flowers. Okay, so look here, the one is taller, this one is taller. Compare the height of this flower with this flower. The one is shorter and the other is taller. So pick the shorter and put it under the short column, and pick the taller and put it under the taller column. Understood? Now there are two pencils, okay? Same pencil, but the one is taller than another one, okay? This one is taller than this one, or we can say that the second pencil is shorter than the first one. So pick the taller and put it under the taller column. and then pick the small and keep it in the short column. Now again there are two buildings, same building, but their height is different, and we are comparing their height to find out which one is taller and which one is smaller. Understood? The first one is shorter, so it will come in the shorter column, and the next one is taller, it will come in the tall column. Understood? Now let's come to do some more activity that you guys can understand it very well. Okay? So what they say in this activity? Pick the tall one and cross out the short one in the each section. Okay? There are 6 sections, and each sections there are 2 objects that are different in height. So what you will do? You will tick the taller and you will cross the short one. Okay, take the tall and short the cross the short one. So compare the height of this ladder with this one. Which one is tall and which one is short? It's very clear and it's very easy. This ladder is tall, so we will take this one. The remaining one is short. We will cross the short one. Okay. Now there are 2 pots, so this one is short and this one is tall. This one is short and this one is tall. Compare the height. Look here. The first one is just half of the second one. Okay. So we are going to cross the short one, and in the for the tall one we are going to tick the tall object. Okay. Now come to the next one. There are 2 picture of a lamp. Okay, 2 picture of lamp, same lamp. The one is short and the other is tall. Which one is tall? Can you tell me? This one is tall? No, this one is short. This one is not tall. This one is short. Okay, because compare the height up to here. So it's just about half of the second one. This one is taller than this one, or you can say the first lamp is shorter than the second one. So for the shorter, we are going to cross the shorter one and we are going to take the taller one. Understood? Now look here. Again, there is a picture of 2 fans. Okay, but their height is unequal. When the object of the height is unequal, we can say tall and short. Okay, we can differentiate it by tall and short. Now look here, compare the height of the first one with the second one. So the first one is in a height, tall in a height than the second one. So we can say that the first fan is taller than the second one. So we will we will take the first one and we will cross the second one. Okay. Now there are 2 tables. Okay. There are 2 tables. Again, their height is unequal. So we will differentiate it. Which one is taller and which one is short, which one is tall and which one is short. The first one, look at this one, the height of the first one is bigger than the second one. So the first table is taller than the second one. Now look here, we will tick the first one and we will cross the another one. Now again, there are 2 buildings. Okay, so the height of the first one is less than the second one. The first one is shorter than the second one. So cross the first one and take the second one. It's too interesting activity, okay? Now let's do some more activity, okay? That you can understand it very well. I want to clear your concept. So that's why we are doing different activity. What they say in this activity? Observe the given set of picture. Circle the one that is taller. in each picture. There are 4 pictures, okay? And each picture there are 2 objects. What you will do? You will circle the tall one. You will circle the tall one. There's a picture of pencil and rubber. Can you say which one is tall? The pencil or the rubber? It's too clear. And it's also easy. You can say it that the pencil is taller than the rubber. So we are going to circle the pencil because it is big than the rubber. Now there is again the cottage and the building. So check out which one is taller. This one or this one, the building or the cottage? No, the building is the taller. The building is taller than a cottage because its height is more than this house, okay? So what you will do? You will circle the cottage or the building? You will circle the building because in this activity, they said that circle the taller object. Circle the taller object. Now come to the next one. There is 2 fruit. The one is banana and the other is apple. Now compare the height of banana with the height of the apple. So the height of the apple is shorter than the height of the banana. So here our taller object is banana. Well done. You do it correctly. Now again there is a tower and the cat. This tower is too big and the height of the cat is less than this tower. Okay. So what you will do? If according to this exercise, what you will do? You will circle the cat or this tower. You will circle the cat? No, no, no. You will not circle the cat. You will circle this tower because its height is more than the height of the cat. Understood? Well done. Now let's come to do some more activity. Now we are going to find out tallest. Tallest, okay? There are 3 pictures, okay? Not 2 pictures, 3 pictures. So what you will do? In the first one, they say that take the tallest among the group. Take the tallest among the group. Okay. So which one is the tallest? This one, she is the tallest, or he? Or this one, she is the tallest. Now compare according to these 2 pictures. If we are taking these 2, then the girl is tallest. But if we are taking among these 3 picture, then look here, this woman is the tallest. This woman is the tallest. So we will take this one. Understood? Now come to the next one. Take the shortest among the group. The shortest among the group. Now what you will do? You will take the shortest one. Understood? Now look here, there are 3 pictures. This one and this one and this one. If we are taking the first and the last, then she is the tallest. And again, if we are taking the second and the last, then again the third one is the tallest. So we will take this one, okay? Among these 3 pictures, the last one is the shortest. Now come to the third one. Take the tallest among the group. Take the tallest among the group. Again, if we are comparing the first one with the second one, so the woman is the tallest. So if we are comparing the last one and the second one, again she is the tallest. Now we will compare all these 3 pictures, okay? In all these 3 pictures, the woman is the tallest. Take this one. Understood? Well done. Now take the shortest in each group, okay? Again, there are 3 picture of giraffe. What you will do? You will take the shortest. You will take the shortest. Which one is the shortest? This one is taller than this one. Again, this one is taller than this one. So the middle one is the shortest among these 3 giraffes. Now there are 3 picture of trees, okay? So the first one is the taller than the second one, and the last one is also taller than the second one. So which one is the tallest among these 3? This one is the tallest, the middle one, okay? Now there are three picture. Again, we are going to find the shortest. This last one is taller than the second one, and the second one is taller than the first one. So, which one is the shortest? The first one is the shortest among these three pictures. Now look here. There are the picture of three buildings. The first one is the shorter than the second one, and the second one is the taller than the last one. Now check out which one is the tallest, this one or this one or this one. The tallest one is the last one. Take this one, okay? Now there are a picture of three ladder. The middle one is, the second one is taller than the first one, and the last one is shorter than the second one. So among these three ladders, the first one is the shortest. The first one is the shortest. Now there are three picture of flags. So check out the height of the first one is more than the second one, and the height of the second one is more than the third one. So among these three flags, the last one is the shortest. Well done. Well done. Now your idea is clear about the taller and shorter. Can you compare the height of the object now? Yes, well done. Well done. Now let's come to do some more activities. What they say in this activity, circle the object in each object that is short. Okay, again there are two pictures of flowers. Which one is short, this one or this one? Now you can say it easily, this one is short. Well done. Now there are two trees. This one is short or this one is short? This one. Well done. Now again there are two picture of a doll. Which one is this one or this one? This one is short. Okay, compare the pencil height. The first one is less than the second one, so less in height, we'll call that short one. Okay, so this one is short. Now there are two animals, the one is rabbit and the other is elephant, but elephant is more in height than the rabbit, so the rabbit is the short one. There are two picture. Again, compare the height, compare their height. Come a line from here straightly up to here. Now look here, the last one is bigger in height. So the first one is called short in height. Understand? Well done. Now observe the given set of picture. Circle the one that is taller. Okay, this ladder is taller than this one. Now look at this vegetables. Which one is bigger than height, this one or this one? The first one is bigger in height. Now there's a picture of eggplant and tomato. It is very clear and you learn it very well. So the tomato is the height of the tomato is less than the eggplant, so the eggplant is bigger in height. Now there is a capsicum or pumpkin and the carrot. Okay, so the height of the carrot is more than the pumpkin. Circle the carrot. Well done. Now look here, to do some more activity, circle the picture in the group B that is shorter than the group A. There is a group B and there is a group A. Now you will compare a height of the bottle which is less than this one. Which one? This one is less or this one? This one is less. I understand. Well done. Now here is a picture of a glass. So compare the picture that is less than in height, okay, from this one. So which one? This one is less than or this one? This one is less than. Well done. Now look at this picture. Circle the picture in the group B that is taller than the group A. Okay, this is group A and this is group B. What you will do, you will compare the height of the object that is uh, taller than the group A. So which one? This one is taller than the group A or this one? This one is taller than the group A. Now the picture of a lamp in a group A, in group B, we are going to compare the lamp that is greater than a group A. So this one is greater than a group A. Understood? Group A and group B. So in here we compare the short length of with the group A. Here we compare the taller length of with the group A. Understood? Now there is a little work for you people. What you will do? You write tall or short. There are some picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is easy to draw, then draw and write under the picture which one is taller and which one is shorter. But if it is difficult to draw the object, to draw the picture, so simply write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simply write in your copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look at number 1. Which one is? Number 1 is taller, so you will write here taller. And number 2 is shorter, you will write here short. Don't, if you write number wise, so don't need to draw the picture. But if you can draw the picture, then if it is easy for you to draw the picture, so then label it under the picture. Understand? Well done.